Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Watching Everybody Loves Raymond.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I didn't know. I hate that she made that so early yesterday. I want to go and everything, but that's within my work hours.
Yeah, I want to ask if we can change it to 5:30. If it's a little bit dark, it's okay, because look, it's going on 5:30 now and it's not even dark.
Yeah, I mean, but I don't know. Wouldn't Mary Alice pick you up anyway?
I can drive anyway.
Even in the dark? I mean, I know what you're saying about...
Hey, I can drive. If I know where I'm at, I can drive. You still there?
Fuck you, motherfucker, is a truck driver. He just cut me off and about hit me.
Who did?
This damn truck driver.
He's doing it now and it's not even dark.
Yeah, I mean, but I don't know. Wouldn't Mary Alice pick you up anyway?
I can drive anyway.
Even in the dark? I mean, I know what you're saying about...
Hey, I can drive. If I know where I'm at, I can drive. You still there?
Fuck you, motherfucker, is a truck driver. He just cut me off and about hit me.
Who did?
This damn truck driver.
He do it off road. Well, I wouldn't let road rage hurt me.
Well, he just about ran into the side of me. And then he flipped me off as he went by. So that's
what... Was it get fall out of the car and say he couldn't hurt your back?
Oh, well, I just about could have. He just about hit me. He was coming over and he kept on pushing. He bullied me out of the way. So
I'm going to ask you this more, and does he have a phone number on the truck that you can call and complain?
That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to call and complain. Fuck you!
Is he a young guy?
Motherfucker! I got him on dash cam.
Is he a young guy?
I don't know.
Did you get off? Did you get off?
Nah, he's going back and forth in the road trying to wreck me.
Where can you get off at? Where can you get off at?
I'm getting ready to get off on Plantation Road.
Okay, good. Don't put your signal or anything on.
Comes to.
You don't want road rage. People are crazy now. They steal you. I mean, they get mad, they shoot you,
Well, he started, he just about hit me.
I know he started, but you don't have to finish it. Just ignore him and go on home. Where can you get off at?
I'm getting ready to get off on Plantation Road.
Okay, good.
Comes to.
You don't want road rage. People are crazy now. They steal you. I mean, they get mad, they shoot you,
Well, he started, he just about hit me.
I know he started, but you don't have to finish it. Just ignore him and go on home. I know people do things and they do it, but you gotta ignore some stuff. They might have a gun in there, they might have a rifle or a knife. You definitely don't want to be fucking around with these people. Especially when he tried to run you off the road, he must be half crazy.
I don't know.